cloth pads do you actually need for your period? Guess what? There's no real answer to this, but I'm going to help you find the answer that's best for you. Into this video, you're going to be telling me whatever, bitch, just like this pad says. You're going to decide, are you going to use cloth pads full-time or part-time? That means, are you going to use them in conjunction with another period product such as cups, tampons, or disposable products? Or are you going to use them just when you're at home or just at night? You have to make those decisions first. By the end of this video, you're probably going to tell me I'm completely unhinged as well, but that's okay. I'm here for that. The second question you're going to ask yourself is, how many days is your period? Is it 3 days? Is it 12 days? Is it 5 days? I don't know. Only you know that. So depending on how many days your period is will depend on how many pads you're going to need. You know what? These Western turquoise pads actually match my outfit today. I think they're super cute. Anyway, completely unhinged, like I told you. How heavy is your flow? Do you have a super light flow, or do you have a really heavy flow where your heaviest days are like 5 days long, or is your heaviest day 1 day long? Only you know the answer to that. I wonder if a mermaid gets her period. She probably doesn't, because she's lucky. Unless she grew legs and started walking on land, she probably got her period. So how many pads would a mermaid need on her period? Would you know? No, only she's gonna know the answer to that. Now the last question is gonna be, how often are you going to be able to wash your pads? Are you going to need to wash them every day, or are you going to be able to wash them once when you're done with your period? I wonder if mermaids actually hand wash their pads in the ocean. Pads needed equals your cycle days times your flow level plus the wash buffer plus lifestyle factor. Let's break it down. Your cycle days, that's gonna be how many days you have your cycle. For example, your cycle is for 6 days. Your flow level, that's gonna be how many pads per day your flow usually needs. Light, about 2 pads per day, moderate, 3 to 4 pads per day, or heavy, 5 to 6 pads per day. Your wash buffer, how often do you plan to wash? If you plan to wash daily, you're gonna add 2 pads. If you can wash every 2 to 3 days, you're gonna add 5 pads, and if you can wash when your period is over, you're gonna add 8 pads. Then you're gonna add in your lifestyle factor. If you're going to use cloth pads full-time, you're gonna multiply times 1. If you're gonna use cloth pads part-time, you're gonna multiply times 0.5. So here's your formula if you bleed for 6 days and you have a moderate flow and you plan to wash every 3 days and wear cloth full-time. 6 times 3, 6 days times 3 pads per day, plus 5 times 1, about 5 extra pads times 1, which is the full time, you're going to need 23 pads. That is just your sweet spot. Now you're going to add on and take off a little more depending on, after you've had about 3 cycles, then you can determine if you need more or less. Don't let me influence you. I'm just your pad dealer.